what brought me to this course was that nowadays people are getting more conscious about their personal hygiene, their personal health, their sexual well-being, and definitely the the leakage of urine problems. People are opening about it all the more now than before. So I thought, let me explore this bit of gynecology and see how it goes. And Dr. Sejal Azmera, she is the best in this. So I thought, let me go and see how this course is and learn from the best good people around. And what I loved about this course was that Dr. Sejal is, she teaches beautifully. She is very good in the, not only in the theoretical part, but the way she teaches, it looks very convincing, and because whatever she is teaching, she's practicing. So you get the confidence to do it in your practice as well when you go back. And the best part about it was the the hands-on training which she gives. Along with it, the small bits of practical tips which she keeps telling you without even knowing that she's telling them to you, because I think she has been doing it day in and day out. And that gives us all the more confidence that yes, once you go back, all this can be put into your practice. And she is very open about what you need to choose. Like, you just see how things are at your end, how is it going to help you. So she doesn't directly just tells you to get this or get that. She leaves everything to you, like choose whatever you want to and just start it. So that's what I loved about it, and I think I am going to put this into my practice and do things further. Thank you.